Hello everyone, welcome to TeknoDestek channel. Today I will try to tell you how you can change your Tplink AC1750 router settings. First, you have to connect your modem to your phone or computer. After that, you have to open web browser page. In this web browser page, you have to go 192.168.1.1 address. After you go to this address, you will see this login page. In this login page, you have to type username admin, password admin, and then click on login button. After you log in, you will see this page. In this page at the left side, you will see quick setup. Click on quick setup. In this page, you have to click on next button. Now you will see region and time zone. You have to choose your time zone, and after that you have to click on next. After that, auto detect connection type, you have to choose yes and then click on next again. After this page, after you click on the next, this page will appear. In PPPoA page, you have to type your username and password. You can get your username and your password from your internet service. After you get your username and password, you have to type it in here in username and password. After you type it, click on the next button. After that, you will see your wireless settings page. In this page, wireless network name, whatever you want to write, you can. And then in security, you have to choose a password. You can make a password in here and type it. After that, you have to click on next. In this second page, again, wireless name and password. You can change your wireless network name and your passwords. And again, click on next button. Now you have to check your information in here. If there is everything is right, just press on save button. After that, for complete your configuration, you have to click on finish button. After you click on the finish button, it will complete, it will be done, and your internet will start to work. If you have any problem or any question, you can call 11858 call center. If you call this number, they will help you about your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it. Have a good day. Bye.